Good morning students. Today we are going to understand four different terms in the motion chapter: average and instantaneous velocity, average and instantaneous acceleration. These four terms, the difference among four we have to understand. So let us understand all these datas one by one. See, whenever we are discussing any motion, and if we are interested in calculating the velocity between two times, like in any motion, if we are interested in calculating the mean velocity between two moments or 2 seconds, then that velocity we call what? Average velocity. Okay, average velocity. So average velocity means velocity between two moments. Its formula how to make now? Velocity formula is always displacement upon time. So between two moments we have to take the difference. So that difference we call delta. So delta x upon delta t, or we can write it in detail, x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. Okay. So one thing is this. Average velocity means velocity between two times. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of the word instantaneous? So, instantaneous word means velocity at a single time, at a single moment. Okay, single moment. So, how to calculate it? So, you see now here I have used one mathematical tool, that is, how to read it? Limit delta t tends to 0 applied on delta x upon delta t. So this limit we have applied on delta x upon delta t. So the difference between delta and d is, delta means big gap between two terms, d means very minute gap between two terms. So you see, when we have to calculate the instantaneous velocity, that means at a moment. So suppose what we have to do at 2.5 second. If we have to calculate only the velocity at 2.5 second, so what we need to do, this gap between the two times we have to reduce. You see, this gap was this much big. Now we have to reduce it almost nil, so that we will reach at one moment. So what you have to do for instantaneous, that delta t gap, that you have to make very small. So this we call delta t tends to 0. Now whenever delta t tends to 0, we apply on this formula delta, it converts to d. Because delta means big difference, d means small difference, very small difference. So that way the formula has changed. Got it? So average velocity means velocity between two times. So delta x upon delta t, and instantaneous velocity means velocity at single time or single second or single moment. So finally you remember this formula only, dx upon dt. That means we will do differentiation in numericals. Now third term, if we want average acceleration, so acceleration किससे होता है? velocity upon time से, लेकिन एवरेज वर्ड है तो डेल्टा लगेगा. सो डेल्टा v अपॉन डेल्टा t और v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. Okay. Third term is this. Fourth term, instantaneous acceleration. That means acceleration at a single moment. So again we need to put d formula. So dv by dt will be the formula. So easy to remember. Whenever average is asked, put delta formula. Here delta x upon delta t, here delta v upon delta t. And whenever instantaneous formula is asked, you have to put d by dt formula. So here dx by dt, here dv by dt. Now I'll take some numericals to explain how to calculate these four terms. Okay. Let us understand question number 1. In this, here t should come. Yes, x equal to t cube plus 2. This is displacement given. Okay. X equal to t cube plus 2. This equation will be given in these type of questions. Calculate velocity between 2 second and 4 second. let us start this first calculation. Okay, whenever, as I told you, velocity between two times is asked, that means it is average velocity. So for first case we have to calculate average velocity. Now average velocity formula is delta x upon delta t. So it will become x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. Okay, now we have to put x2 means displacement at second time and x1 means displacement at first time. So times are what? 2 and 4 second. So in upon t2 and t1 are what? 4 and 2. That we have to apply 4 and 2. And x2 means this, in this x equation we have to put t2, that means 4 second. So it will become 4q plus 2. Got it? x की जगह, x की इक्वेशन में t की जगह 4 रखना है, फिर माइनस साइन लगाना है. आफ्टर दैट x1 मीन्स फर्स्ट टाइम पुट करना है. सो फर्स्ट टाइम क्या है? 2. सो t2 पुट करना है. सो 2q plus 2. This way if we see the cancellation, this 2 is going to cancel only. Plus 2 minus 2. It is going to cancel. Then 4 cube minus 2 cube we have to solve. So 4 cube is 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is minus 2 cube is 8 upon 4 minus 2. 64 minus 8 if we do 56 upon 2. So answer is 28 meter per second. Okay, we have to put the unit also at last. Clear? So what we did for the average velocity, डेल्टा बाय डेल्टा फॉर्मूला, x2 में एक बार t की वैल्यू रखी 4 और x1 में t की वैल्यू रखी 2 अपॉन में t2 माइनस t1. कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म विल बी जनरली कैंसल्ड. इन दोनों को सॉल्व करना है, पुट करना है और सिंप्लीफाई किया. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द सेकेंड ऑप्शन, सेकेंड पार्ट. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट इज सॉल्व एवरेज में सॉल्व वेलोसिटी एट 2 सेकेंड. अगर वेलोसिटी एक ही मोमेंट पे पूछिए तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी. ओके, सो इन द सेकेंड केस वेदर द नेम इज नॉट गिवन बट इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट वी आर आस्क्ड टू कैलकुलेट इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी, दैट इज dx by dt फॉर्मूला. ओके, dx by dt, दैट मीन्स क्या करना है? अब डिफरेंशिएशन. सो d by dt को अलग किया, x की वैल्यू पुट की, that is t cube plus 2. Now apply the differentiation formula. So if you remember our differentiation formula, that is d by dx of x raised to power n कितना होता है? n x raised to power n minus 1. Okay, n x raised to power n minus 1. This way. Remember? So this formula we have to apply for t cube. d by dt करना है t क्यूब कम, तो क्या हुआ? पावर आगे आनी है. सो 3 और t की पावर 1 कम हो जाएगी. n माइनस 1 मीन्स 1 लेस. इट विल बिकम 3t स्क्वायर. ओके, अब 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? सो कॉन्स्टेंट्स डिफरेंशिएशन इज ऑलवेज 0. सो वी हैव हियर 0 फॉर द सेकेंड टर्म डिफरेंशिएशन. दिस वे फाइनली वी आर ओनली लेफ्ट विथ 3t स्क्वायर. सो इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी किस पे कैलकुलेट करनी थी? वी वर आस्क्ड टू कैलकुलेट वेलोसिटी एट 2 सेकेंड. सो हियर वी हैव टू पुट 2 सेकेंड. सो इफ वी पुट 2 सेकेंड वी विल गेट दिस आंसर. 3 in place of t, 2 second, 2 square, 4 3s are 12 meter per second. So this is the solution of instantaneous velocity. How we do? Just understand. In this question we were asked calculate velocity at one time. So velocity at one moment only is called instantaneous velocity. Formula of that is dx by dt. So we have to do d by dt of x. X is t cube plus 2. We will do differentiation of this and this separately. Its differentiation is 3t square by this formula and constant's differentiation is 0. Then whatever t is left with us, In that we have to put that time which is given in the question. So put t equal to 2. Final answer is 12 meter per second. Let's now solve the third case. Third case is what? Acceleration between two times. So it is average acceleration. Formula of average acceleration is dv by dt. It is delta v by dt. एवरेज वर्ड है इसलिए क्या आएगा डेल्टा v बाय डेल्टा t. दैट फॉर्मूला इज v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. Now here the concept is that from where we will get the v equation. Like no, to solve the average velocity we were needing x equation, that is this equation. X was given in the question. But you see v velocity equation is not given in the question, which we need here. So the concept is, or the trick is, that whatever velocity equation we have solved here, instantaneous velocity equation, that is velocity equal to 3t square answer. This is the equation which we have to use now. Okay, so like for the velocity, displacement equation should be given. In the same manner, for acceleration, velocity equation should be given. That is always the instantaneous velocity answer. Now using this velocity equation, we have to solve average. So let us start solving now. What I have to do now? v2. And what times are now given? 1 second and 2 seconds for the acceleration case. Okay, so how to solve now? 3t square में एक बार t की जगह 2 रखना है और 3t square में t की जगह 1 रखना है. ये तो हो गया v2 minus v1. What is t2 minus t1? 2 and 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So here 3 is common. 2 2s are 4 minus 1. 4 will come from here. 1 will come from here. 3 is common. In upon 1 is only there. So actually it is 4 minus 1, 3. 3 3s are 9 meter per second. So this is the answer for average acceleration. Let us solve now the fourth case. Fourth case is what? Acceleration at 4 seconds. So I think you have understood the word now. Acceleration is asked only at one moment. So acceleration at one moment is called what? Instantaneous acceleration. So here we are asked to calculate the instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration formula is dv by dt. Not delta. Now it will be dv by dt. That means now we have to do differentiation. d by dt करना है. किसका करना है? v का. v की इक्वेशन कहाँ है? ये रही 3t स्क्वायर. कैसे बनाई थी हमने? इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी सॉल्व करके बनाई थी. सो लेट अस पुट v इक्वेशन 3t स्क्वायर हियर. नाउ हाउ टू डू differentiation of 3t square? Okay, you must be remembering 3 is a constant. It comes out. And next we have to do only differentiation of t square. 3 I have taken out. So 3 is out. Only t square is remaining inside the differentiation. Now last term is 3 is out. And t square's differentiation. Again solve with this formula of differentiation. T square we have. So n is 2. So n is 2. T raised to power 2 minus 1. It will become 2t. Okay. So 3 into 2t is 60. Now in this t, which value to put? At whichever moment the acceleration is asked. So acceleration is asked at 4 seconds. Put t equal to 4 seconds. 6 4s are 24. And the last unit of the acceleration is meter per second square. Make here also meter per second square. Okay. So this is the solution. So remember, average means delta. So average means delta salt. Here also average means delta salt. Instantaneous means d. instantaneous means d. Then for velocity we require the displacement equation that will be given in the question. We will be using that equation. And for acceleration we will be needing v equation. If v equation not given in the question, use this instantaneous velocity equation only as velocity equation and solve the remaining question. Okay. See this question number 2. Displacement x is given 2t square plus t. Okay, anyway the equation can be given. You should understand, you should know how to solve these average and acceleration terms, average and instantaneous terms. Let us start solving the question. First term is asked velocity between 2 second and 4 second. So velocity between 2 times is called what? Average velocity. So in the first question we have to solve average velocity. Formula of average is delta x upon delta t. That means what? x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. Now our x equation is 2t square plus t. Like this. Now I'll tell you how to replace the terms. Times are 2 second and 4 second. So this is t2, this is t1. So t2 is 4 second, t1 is 2 second. Now x2 means in this value, in this equation we have to put 4 second. So this is 2 into 4 square plus 4. And here we have to put first time. First time is 2 second. So 2 into 2 square plus 2. Now we have to solve it. So just check, have I done substitution correctly? 2 4 square plus 4. 2 2 square plus 2. Here put t equal to 4 second. Here we have put t equal to 2 second. Now let us solve it. So if in this and in this if I take common 2, 4 4s are 16 minus 2 2s are 4 will come. And from this 4 minus 2 will come upon 4 minus 2 is there. Let us solve it. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 2s are 24 plus 2 upon 2. 26 upon 2 is 13 meter per second. This way we have solved. Just check that is it done correctly. Now second solution I am doing. See, acceleration at 3 seconds means acceleration at one moment is only asked. So acceleration at one moment means instantaneous acceleration. We have to solve. Its formula is dv upon dt. Correct? Instantaneous acceleration formula is dv upon dt. But where the v equation we have prepared? This is x equation. V equation we will require here. So what we need to do now? Separately we will prepare v equation also. So as I told you, v equation is always prepared by instantaneous formula. So do d by dt of x. X means 2t square plus t. Let us do differentiation. Differentiation. 2 is constant. t square का differentiation होता है 2t plus t का differentiation तो dt by dt होता है 1. So आंसर क्या आया? 4t plus 1. ये हमारी velocity equation है which we will be using for acceleration solutions. Let us put now here. So as I told you, अब v चाहिए. v हमने बना लिया 4t plus 1. इसको d by dt में पुट करेंगे बिकॉज इंस्टेंटेनियस एक्सेलरेशन चाहिए. लेट अस सॉल्व नाउ. d by dt of 4t, it will become only 4 plus constant 1 is constant differentiation is 0. So final answer is 4. So it may also happen that without putting the time value the answer will come. So instantaneous acceleration value is 4 meter per second square.